Today we have some heat, and to be honest, that should be the objective of these videos. Let's get straight into it. What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Zay Times with a new video, and today we have a very special sneaker right now. Shout out to Joe Fresh Goods, shout out to New Balance. This right here is a 990 V3 outside close. New Balance is killing it right now. Of course, New Balance has been around for a minute. Everyone knows New Balance. Everyone who's been following New Balance knows, how they were starting up and the classics that they have, no matter which number you're going through. As of late, with the recent collaborations with like Joe Fresh Goods and Salehi Bembury, you have some crazy things coming out. And of course, those collaborations go on, they just keep going. These right here are insane. We're gonna go straight ahead into this review. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's get it. I don't know about you, but when I see a shoe with a good box, it has to lead to great things. And of course, New Balance and Joe Fresh Goods carried this through all the way. Gotta love this blue and white that they feature all across this box that you can also see in the shoe. And now, the moment that we're waiting for. Only thing missing here is the Joe Fresh Goods tag that's up here, but I'm going to show a clip of that very soon. So clean, I put it on my key. I 100% enjoy all of the tones that you see here with the browns, greens, and the blue. There's a nice carbon fiber plate at the bottom, just to let you know we sturdy out here. But as you see across, there's so many different browns, more of a mocha, caramel, tan. All throughout the shoe, you see the different blues on the mesh and on the sole, and of course the different blue with that turquoise that's on the New Balance logo. But overall, you can see the quality of suede that's featured all throughout the shoe. This is just another angle for you to look at, just to admire. We can throw that paper away. We don't need that, because these are going to get worn, believe that. But again, the levels of brown are insane. I want to say it's about 5 to 6. It's amazing. Here are some of the laces that come with the shoe. I think I'll be sporting the ones that I have right now, so we can kind of throw those away. You gotta love this area of the shoe, as well as the New Balance logo, because I found out randomly that they are 3M. If you know me, 3M is kind of like automatic plus for me, so always a good sign to see that. You can see how well the shoe is constructed. It released September of 2021. I had this on my wish list for a while, so I definitely made sure I could get it as quick as I could. On the back of the heel, you see clothes, which is a nod to the colorway outside clothes. And in the side, you see the same theme that you see on the shoebox. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're liking what you're seeing. As we look to the back, we see more of those small details. You see Made for Us at the top, the New Balance logo in that nice orange. That green is crazy, just crazy shoe in general. Let's pop these on. I hope you all enjoyed the on-feet clips of the shoe. Leave me know in the comments, what is your favorite New Balance model and colorway if you could, or model itself. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see more reels and more content. And thanks for watching. We out of here.